Hello there, YouTube. Let's see if my camera's maybe a little crooked. I don't know. I don't have it super duper tight. So, but today is Saturday. I think it's December 19th. I just quit working about 2 o'clock. A little bit before 2 o'clock. Got everything done. It's a little bit of a slower period now since everybody's into the playoffs and are done playoffs or even done in some places, and some places didn't even play. But out for a ride. It's beautiful. I think it's like 66 degrees. It's just, we had all kinds of, it poured down rain this morning. While I was working, you could hear it. It's pouring down rain, but it cleared up nice. I think it's supposed to be in the 70s for the next few days, next 3 days. So you know where I'm gonna be. I took a vacation Tuesday and Wednesday, and then I always did this in Thanksgiving too. I took a vacation, then all of a sudden the company says, no, you guys take off this day. So they did the same thing this time. I took 2 vacation days. They said, oh no, just take it off. But I had to take vacation anyway because I have so much time that I stop accruing and I go flat. So, you know, every week and every month that I stop accruing, I don't get any more time. So I don't accrue anymore. So I had to take a couple days. So I continue to accrue. And I'll take a couple days off right after, like January. In January, just take a couple days off to make up for my free time that we got off. It's all good. I work for good people, so they say, just make up for it. Take a few extra days off. But we get off between Christmas and New Year's, which is kind of good. I'll get on every now and then and check for stuff coming in, but it's just so nice. I'm gonna ride. I got the Spyder today, obviously. Rode the Goldwing earlier in the week when I took off for a little bit of a ride. But oh my gosh, how nice. I just, you know, that's what's so great about living in the South. You know, we get cold weather, but we don't get snow, but it can get cold. Like my wife and I went for a couple walks and I wore a heavy coat. We got a little too heavy because it got kind of warm, but you know, we'll go for a walk at 5 and finish up by 6, and it's kind of dark out, so it can get a little cool. So you gotta wear a jacket. I'm wearing a jacket now because I didn't think it was going to get this warm. I thought it'd just be like maybe 60, but it's, well, this thing's always off. This says 68, so it's really probably 64. Truly, this thing's never right. When you stop and idle, it just goes up and up and up. It could be like 80 degrees, and if you sit there and idle, it could be 114. So these things are in a bad location, apparently. But what a great day. What a great day. Just makes you feel good. Got my Christmas shopping done. I used to buy my kids gifts too when I just, you know, buy them, but they got everything. I bought them all kinds of tool sets and really nice tools and power stuff, power drills and saws, and I bought them all that over the years. So can't buy them any more tools. They're loaded just like I'm loaded with tools. So I guess they get send us a Christmas list and get them. I just really buy from my wife now. I ordered her a whole bunch of stuff that she wanted. But enough talk. Bye.